Some business managers do not know what data stewardship means or dismiss it like it's some academic issue. But their ignorance doesn't protect them if their company is accused of fraud. Theranos was one such company. It was a startup covered in John Carreyrou's book, Bad Blood, that was supposed to be making a new kind of lab test. The company grew really big, and then it was accused of fraud. Let's look at what type of data stewardship policies they had in place. Even companies that don't know what data stewardship is usually have at least some administrative policies and procedures in place. Well, Theranos had none of that. Every organization needs to classify their data in order to ensure they comply with regulations about those data. Human resources data have to be handled and protected in a certain way, and healthcare data are subject to specific laws and regulations. But there are some types of data that every business has, such as human resources data and purchasing data. In addition to these data, because they were a lab developing blood testing equipment, Theranos would have also had lab data. The point is that all these data need to be classified so we can make separate policies about each type of data, such as where the data can be stored, who can access the data, and what the data can be used for. And that's what leaders do, set up data stewardship policies. So, you want to become an expert at data stewardship? Read my book, Mastering SaaS Programming for Data Warehousing. In it, I include all my top secret tips and tricks that will make you a data stewardship superstar. The book is on Amazon. The link is in the description.